you see that? 2 fresh eggs for the day. Oh, hello. What's up? So it's Nyla. These boats are laying already. This dude, I don't know what is wrong with it. You don't want to start laying egg. Those are my Noilans. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This one's 2 and Noilas. I don't know if I just there. This one too, Noila. Expecting some egg from you. And this guy is a cock. Milo cock. Yeah, I want to do some experiment with them. And this one is hen. This hen. Oh, Noilas. Why is that guy shouting over there? Okay. Looking for mama. There's the mama here. She's stubborn, so she has to be in a cage. That cock. Tyrant. That stupid hen. Don't want to lay eggs. And that's mother hen. Mother of them all. That is the local chickens. Look at this big egg, just like looks like a double yolk. Alright, this big egg is coming from this lady. Very big. One thing about our eggs is they are, this one is coming out massive, man, massive. They feed on grasses. Those things they eat, all the potato leaves, they eat them all, and that makes it very nutritious. If you know about the yellow yolk in egg, good yellow yolk and not white yolk, you understand what I'm talking about for the size of the egg. So guys, you're welcome, officially welcome to V Farms, where we breed more of local chickens and more of local eggs. There's this one here, laying, still laying, and this young lady here, covering. So that little baby there missed her way, so she don't even know where she is. And then Becky, you will find your way. Alright guys, welcome to V Farms. Do like our video and share. Hope they grow small. And peace out.